Today I'm going to show you how to install a pull-down kitchen faucet. I'm going to quickly show you how to remove the old one and install a new one. This is going to be super quick because these are super easy to install.
First thing we need to do is turn off the water supply to the current faucet so that when we pull this faucet out, it is not going to spray us. The one that is currently there has the exact same setup as this, where it just has a ring that's pushing it up against the counter. So all you need to do is back that screw out a little bit and then that'll loosen it up. And then you can unscrew the whole ring and we'll get it off. All right, so a screwdriver made quick work of loosening that ring up. Once I got the ring undone, I needed to remove the weight. This is what makes it retract. So usually you just unclip these just like that. Now we unhook these two hoses. So all you need to do is take a pair of pliers and unhook this hose. So this is our cold line and this is our hot line. And then we just pull the faucet out. Step one of installing your new faucet is putting it in the hole. I stand corrected. Step one is taking the ring off. Now you have the ring off. Now, step two is sticking it in the hole. There's no weight, so it just dangles. Now we just put the rings back on and then we put the weight on. Slide that over those two. And this goes on with the screws facing up. So I can push that washer in. Now we just run this up to the sink and tighten it up. Okay, so now we've got this tight and this is in place. Now we just need to clamp the weight on the line. Now that we have the weight on, it'll retract back up. The next thing we need to do is connect the hot and cold lines. We have little blue stripes in this one, and we have little red stripes in that one, which tells us which one's hot and cold. And then I need to figure out which one of these two is hot and cold. And this is running to the refrigerator, so I know that this is the cold line because it would be crazy to run the hot line to the refrigerator. We screw this in. And I'll give that just the smallest turn. You don't want to go crazy because there's a rubber ring inside of here and that's what's actually sealing. If you over tighten it, you will compromise that ring and you'll have water everywhere. Let me go ahead and get this last one. Go ahead and give it just the slightest of turns there. All right, and now we turn the water back on and hope that no water goes anywhere it's not supposed to. Go over here, turn the hot water on. Really don't want hot water to spray anywhere. Okay, now we give it a go. Get the water out of it and press our button. And boom, just like that, we're done. This one's cool. It has a little LED ring on the inside, so it lights up when the water comes on. That's all there is to it to install a faucet. It's really easy. Just pull the old one out, unhook it, hook the new one up, and you're done in less than 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.